My message to the people of Gaza, we Jewish rabbis all over the world, people looks like me, are in supporting of you, are heart crying for you. What's going on in Gaza? And especially it's a shame that everything has been done in my name, in the name of Jewish people. And worse than that, in the name of the Torah, in the name of God. It's everything, it's false. This is not a religious conflict. This is not a conflict between Jews and Muslims. Jews and Muslims live together and we want to live together. We live together for centuries. We are thankful for the Muslims, for the good hospitality that they gave for the Jewish people all the years. We know Jewish people live peacefully in all the Muslim countries, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Egypt, Yemen, Iran, Turkey, everywhere. Jews, the Jewish demand, the Torah demand that the whole Palestine, not only Gaza, the whole Palestine should go back for the Palestinian people. The Zionists have no right to rule even 1 inch of the land. And there will be no solution until the state of Israel will come to an end. Prophet Moses told for the Jewish people, a rebellion against God cannot be succeed. Jews are in exile today by divine decree. They have no right to go out of exile to rule any land. So the state of Israel is a rebellion against the Almighty. They will not succeed. I know there are 75 years already. God gives sometimes the power for the evil, but only for a certain time. However, I'm a Jew, I'm a Palestinian Jew. I want to go back, but I will never step into the Israeli occupied land for no other reason. I want to go back, but I will I want to go back with my Palestinian passport. And I'm sure I will get it. I will hope it will be soon. I know that Israel say we have the right to defend ourselves. But who gives you the right in the first hand to be there? Who gives you the right to be in someone's land? Get out of the land what you rob away from other people. The only solution is to correct this wrongness from the root. And this is to give back for the Palestinians the whole land from the river to the sea. I myself am standing between 500,000 Palestinians. Nobody say me even one bad word. Everybody welcome us. This is not anti-Zionism is not anti-Semitism. It's exactly the opposite. Zionism is the creators of anti-Semitism. If not Zionism, if not the state of Israel, it was peace in the Middle East. Jews and Muslims standing together for justice and for peace. And it will come. It will come. Jews and Muslims will celebrate together a free Palestine.